And now, number 5. You are beautiful inside and out. This compliment boosts your wife's self-confidence. It helps her feel loved and desired. It addresses both the physical attraction and who she is as a woman. Affirming her beauty both inside and out builds intimacy in your marriage. It helps maintain romantic attraction over time, and it reinforces the unique bond that you have together. So what happens if you don't affirm her inner and outer beauty? Well, your wife may struggle with self-image, and those are issues that a lot of women suffer with. She may feel unattractive or undesired, and this could negatively impact your physical intimacy and your overall relationship satisfaction. You're beautiful, inside and out. So these affirmations align with the principles of love, respect, and mutual support in a Christian marriage. They reflect a husband loving his wife as Christ loved the church, Ephesians 5:25, and building each other up, 1 Thessalonians 5:11. And if you're consistent in saying these, your wife will feel more loved, respected, and supported. And as she reciprocates these feelings and actions, your marriage will be stronger and more fulfilling for both of you.